the struggle that is going to come, or hold yourself in there and maintain the consistency that brings about greatness. Because anything that is great, there is a level of consistent effort. That's what separates the average from the quote unquote above average, or the good, or the great. It's consistency. Are you consistent in your efforts? Are you consistent in your getting rest? Are you consistent in your reading? Are you consistent in your learning? Are you consistent in constantly wanting to be better? Are you consistent in hanging around people who are smarter than you? Are you consistent in every aspect of it? Have you reached out to 10 to 20 entrepreneurs who are in your area that are similar, in a similar field, or better yet, you can actually follow and learn from? Are you putting yourself in these type of situations? Because if you're not, then you're just playing with this. And just, better yet, just go get you another job, work the job till you retire, and live that life. Entrepreneurship is not for the weak. Entrepreneurship is for the people who have to have a backbone and some resilience.